You like that? Oh, did you like the plate?
Okay, whoops là. Maybe I try again.
For as long as I can remember, nature's always called my name. For many years, I've called myself a florist, but really, I have a bigger mission. I want to bring nature indoors in the most unexpected ways.
Pumpkins, I'm telling you, yes, a big smile with pumpkins because they work.
Now that's a tree. That's the tree of the forest. I need to hug it. White clematis, it looks like a white cloud. It's gonna give volume to my design without adding weight to it. Ooh, the queen of the forest. Hello, Mrs. Fern. And I just know how it works in design. It never ever fails me.
Sometimes people will step over a dead piece of wood and thinking, oh, what's stuck under my shoe? But no, you know what? Give it a chance. We're really mixing different elements and making them work together.
You brought me half a forest.
These days, I travel all over Europe, showing my clients, friends how to forage responsibly, help them showcase the beauty of Mother Nature that we find just outside their homes. There's nothing that will stop me, whether it's swinging from vines, jumping from fences, exploring local markets. I won't let anything stand in my way to connect people and nature. My name is Anne Verborg, and I'm the Renegade Florist.